So guys, so meron akong dinevelop na lesson learned ngayong araw na to. Ganun din po ang safety alert. So number 1 po niyan, to make it short, meron po tayong insidente na nangyari noong June 15. Isa pong curbstone operator, kami po ay gumagawa ng hollow block at concrete pavers. So ang nangyari po, meron po siyang instead na i-lockout tagout niya yung machine bago niya linisan at tanggalin yung mga excess na semento sa likod ng bucket kung saan doon nahuhulog yung mga semento, ay nilagay lang po niya sa manual mode. Huwag po tayong pakakasiguro guys na ang machine ay nasa manual mode lang at walang mangyayaring insidente. So anyway, ito yung mga lesson learned. Always lock out, tag out your machineries. Okay guys, make sure before you clean your area, naka switch off talaga yung machines at nakasusi at kung maaari. Inform your supervisor kung anong gagawin and never do the task alone. Okay, mag-isa. Kailangan body system yan. So in case of any emergency, madali lang pong i-switch off or emergency shutdown yung machineries. Pre-toolbox meeting kasama ang engineer o supervisor para malaman yung step by step ng task. Okay guys, always give a soft skill training sa mga operators para to enhance their awareness, your safety awareness, yung education, yung hazard ng machineries. Okay, kailangan nare-refresh po sila kasi minsan nakakalimutan, ayun na nangyayari, aksidente. So yun guys, at sana po kapulutan ng aral ang ating lesson learned. At sana po wala na pong mangyaring ulit na ganitong aksidente. Nakakalungkot po. Maraming salamat guys. If you like the video, please like, share, and comments. Have a safe day guys.